This is the smile of approval. To make our delicious vegetable korma, start by frying up vegetables of your choice and setting them aside. Next, saute some onion, add cashews, ginger garlic chili paste, and cook until brown. Place in a blender with tomatoes and blend until smooth. Sauce goes back in the pan along with turmeric, chili, coriander, and some salt. Bring it all together, then cook until glossy. Add some water along with your hearty vegetables first. Cover and simmer for 10 minutes, then add the rest of your vegetables along with some cashews. Cover and simmer for another 10 minutes. Final touch, garam masala, cardamom, coconut milk, a touch of honey, butter, and dried kasuri methi. Stir well and serve it hot.